Hey, we're heading down to Washington, D.C. today. We're going to install a brand new lawn sprinkler system. Come along with us. Guys are getting underway down here. This is a brand new install in Washington, D.C. today. Take a look. Guys are putting the pipe in the ground through the ivy with hand tools so that they don't disturb the ivy too much. It's not something you do with a machine, so they're putting it in by hand. That our guys carried the camera around and positioned it so you can see what they were up to and how they installed this system in one day. They're dry setting some of these sprinkler heads before they install them. Guys are installing some of the sprinkler heads on this installation today. They're assembling the valves now to turn this into a manifold for this long sprinkler system. Hand tamping the yard, putting this back together the way we found it when we started this morning. It's going to be a turnkey job all one day.